verse for today is in 1 Peter 2, verse 18. Slaves, submit yourselves to your masters with all respect, not only to those who are good and considerate, but also to those who are harsh. This message is for everyone who has a boss, a master, a manager, supervisor, or if you are an employee. This message is for you. Because we are told, friends, to submit to those that are in authority over us, to our boss, to our masters. Submit to them, not only to those that are good and considerate, but even to the harsh one. To those that are mean to you, submit unto them. It's not right for you to fight your boss. You just have to submit and do what is asked of you. Many times, friends, the problem here is that we resist our boss. There are instructions that they give and we resist. We don't submit to them because we thought that we know better. Maybe we are more educated than them. Maybe we are more experienced than them. And therefore, we belittle their instructions or their suggestions. And we resist and we don't submit. Meantime, we have a strained relationship. The relationship is strained, friends. So what do you expect out of it? But of course, there will be struggles. You won't be happy doing your job because your boss will show that indeed he or she is the boss. And we always say, friends, that the boss is always right. And therefore, just submit. And wait for an opportunity for you to be able to explain yourself. And maybe try to express also your ideas and your thoughts. But meantime, submit. Amen. You are accountable to them anyway. Your boss is the one that will give you the raise, that give you the promotion. And if you fight against your boss, it will be to your loss. Right? If you believe that you are better than your boss, then quit the job. Look for another one. Rather than fighting, meantime, you feel so miserable at work. You are not enjoying your job anymore. So why don't you just quit and look for a job where you will be the boss? Or maybe wait for the opportunity for you to become a boss yourself and do whatever you want to do. So again, friends, in the meantime, the instruction is slaves or employees, submit yourself to your boss. Amen. Even to those that are mean to you, not only to the good ones. Well, it's easy to submit to the good ones, friends. To those that are considerate, it's so easy. Just submit and yes, sir, yes, ma'am. Do everything that they tell you to do because they are so good to you. They are so considerate. But how about the ones that are mean? As mentioned, friends, still submit. He is still your boss. So, if you want to enjoy your life, you spend 8 hours at work. More hours than you spend with your husband or wife maybe, or your children or your friends. If you want to enjoy your 8 hours at work, submit. Amen. Develop a good relationship with your boss. Pray for your boss. Amen. Every day pray for your boss. Give your boss a good reason to praise you. Give your boss a good reason to acknowledge you. But if you are rebellious, friends, and this is the spirit that the boss sees every day, you can be sure that he won't be good to you. You will suffer for it. So friends, the command for us, submit yourself to your authority. It will go well with you. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord keep you. May His face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. May He lift up His countenance on you and give you His peace, His shalom. God bless. See you next time.